All right, lesson 6.3 is solving radical equations, and we'll do 4 quick examples. So number 1, square root of x plus 12 equals 20. We're just solving for x. So we're trying to get x by itself. So you can minus a 12 over. Square root of x equals 8. Then just cancel out the square root. You actually square each side. So I'm going to square this side and square this side. So this cancels down to x. Square root and the square cancel. And 8 squared is 64. Okay. I have something a little bit different. 5 equals square root of this whole thing, x plus 2. Okay, we can't minus a 2 off yet. We're trying to solve for x, but we can't minus a 2 off yet because it's all under the square root. So the first thing you got to do, rewrite it, is square each side. So I'm going to square this side and square this side. So 25. And then this square root and the square will cancel out. Now I can minus 2 on each side. Okay, so x equals 23. Okay, we'll get a little tougher here for number 3. 2 square root y minus 4, and then a plus 2 outside of the square root, and equals 8. And we're trying to solve that down for y. So the order of the steps is we got to take care of this first, the thing that's added on the end. So minus that 2 off first. Write down everything that's left. This canceled. This is 6. Now we can take this 2 off that's in front. So divide each side by 2. Okay, now it's all under a square root, so I've got to square each side. That cancels out the square root. 3 squared is 9, and now I can add 5. Or 4, sorry, add 4. Okay, that cancel that out, so y equals 13. Okay. Okay, and then the last one is a little bit different, so make sure you pay attention on this one. Number 4 is like the last few on the homework. Something more like this. 3x minus 2 equals x. Same idea. We're trying to solve for x, but now we've got x's on both sides, so it makes it a little more complicated. But first step, it's still going to be square each side to cancel out that square root. X squared. Now I've got a quadratic, an x squared, an x, and a constant, so I need to get this equal to 0 to solve it. Minus 3x on each side. Also add this 2 over on the side to get it equal to 0 over here. Okay, I'm just canceling everything out there. So I've got x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. This factors. Multiplies the 2, adds to negative 3. It's going to be a negative 2 and a negative 1. Okay, so then the two solutions are actually x equals 2 and x equals 1. That's like the last few on your assignment there. So the rest of them are pretty straightforward. Those last 2 is where you got to probably going to have to factor at the end there. Okay, that should get you through that assignment there.